If you've ever tried to organize your employees' survey comments, you don't need me to tell you how long it takes or how many headaches it causes. In the weeks that HR spends trying to make sense of their data, they're losing valuable time that could have been spent taking action. With Culture Amp, you'll never need to go through that process again. Culture Amp's text analytics give you a way to instantly understand what your employees think and feel. From the moment you collect employee insights, a clear visual representation of your results are just a click away. Culture Amp's sophisticated natural language processing interprets comments from your employees and classifies them into topics and sentiments. Each bubble represents a topic that your employees mentioned. The color and position show you how employees feel about each topic, and size shows you how frequently each topic was mentioned. Let's see what's going on with systems and resources. Now you can see at a glance where your company is doing well and which topics need your attention. Ready to ditch those spreadsheets and get instant insights? Then it's time to try Culture Amp. Visit the link in the description to watch the demo video.